friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video I am showing how to make Onam Sadhya with clay, which can be used as fridge magnets. This is Thai clay which I ordered online from Amazon. Take some amount of Thai clay and then give the shape of a banana leaf. Take blunt knife and then make impressions as shown. Paint the clay with light green and dark green. Here I am showing how to make rice. Ensure that the knife is blunt. Do not use sharp objects. With the help of clay, you can make salt, pickle, avial, beetroot palya, etc. This is banana chips. Once all the things are ready, you can paint them. This is how it looks after you complete it. You can stick a magnet behind it and use it as a fridge magnet or decorate it as per your choice.